There you go, the power of Ichimoku targets and Ichimoku time. So the perfect timing, the target E, and the reaction of the markets. I'm scalping Bitcoin, few short positions that I have open. With the take profits not far from the current price. I might need to close it by hand. We will see how it goes, as well as I need to do some break even on the other platform. Okay, just in case. Can't control both, so I have sell positions here and with another broker, but I think there might be a quick reaction like this one. So I just might need to close it by hand if we get to my target. So yeah, with closing positions like that, I need to press close all and then confirm. So yeah, that might be, I might need to confirm it in a second. Okay, I'm still watching another. Okay, I'm confirming the closing, and I will go to another platform to take profits there as well. Okay, yeah, I'm closing because we are very close to target E of Ichimoku. And yeah, there you go. That's what's happening when we get to target E. We are still few pips before, so market is precise. It should go even below, so there might be like a reaction right now. So reaction and then another stronger push, maybe on the next candle, because next candle will be the 26 candle from the top. But I don't want to wait until the end, because exactly that's what might happen. So this is a very good video. I'm happy that I was recording this live to show you how quickly your profits can vanish if you are scalping. Not even if you're scalping, even on daily, long term. If something is happening, if the market hits the target and there is profit taking, so that's the 26 candle from the top. So I was hoping we will hit the target on this candle, which we still might do. We have 45 seconds to do so. But you can see how like stressful it might be. That was a massive move very quickly from having a nice profits to being almost back at the entry point. And that might create a lot of doubt. And some people might be thinking like, okay, 1 minute difference between the candles. Fuck, I missed my train. I need to get out. Then they get out here instead of taking the profits at the level. But the level is very important. So we should take it. So we should come to a little bit lower and then go up. That's how it usually happens. Plus, we are in a very strong fall today. As I said in my previous video, that on 24th, there is a 40-second day, and Bitcoin might have a strong south movement. Not only that, what was last night, it was a full moon. And full moon is not a joke. It has a real influence on the market. So yeah, watch for that, especially when it aligns beautifully with the Ichimoku. Okay, so now we hit the targets. So basically the idea for the trade was that we are in this very strong fall already. So there were some taking profits before. And once we get to the Kumo and sliding off the Kumo, you can see how beautifully Senkou Span A is holding price. I was just adding more and more positions and closing them all at once. So yeah, nice. Happy with the result, especially that I made it on both. On both, not on both. I have a lot of brokers, a lot of accounts, but I made it on two out of them. So yeah, two of them got some gain at the same time. So I need to do two at once because I'm trading mainly my real funds accounts, so my own funds. Plus, I do this challenge to show you how this platform is working. So I want to record a couple of videos here with the challenge money, so you can understand and maybe copy the ideas and get familiar with the platform and possible opportunities. There you go, the power of Ichimoku targets and Ichimoku time. So the perfect timing, the target E, and the reaction of the markets. You can judge by yourself if Ichimoku is working or not, and all the lines, all the time, and the wave and target theory at its best. So if you want to learn how I'm trading with Ichimoku, if you want to learn about the time theory, the wave theory, the target theory, all the 5 lines, just go to my website, rafałzuchowicz.com, and if you go to the course list section, you can get the course, which is the Advanced Ichimoku. Once you get this one, I will give you access to Ichimoku 1.0. So whichever you choose, I will give you access to both, so you can have the vast knowledge. And as well, you can get it for free. There are some terms and conditions. And yeah, so enjoy, learn, and make profits just like I do using this strategy. All the best, guys. Until the next time. Take care.